On the 126th anniversary of the Declaration of Philippine Independence, President Bongbong Marcos says Filipinos should protect the freedom they enjoy today and never be cowed by threats and oppression. In his message to Filipinos, President Marcos pays tribute to the country's forefathers who fought for Philippine independence and peace.
Bilang tagapagmana ng kalayaan na tinatamasa natin ngayon, tungkulin ng bawat isa sa atin na pangalagaan ito at tiyaking hindi na tayo kailanman magpapatinag sa anumang banta ng pananakot, pananakop at pag-aapi.
Marcos calls on Filipinos to strengthen not only their courage but also their unity and cooperation, adding that each Filipino can be a hero in the modern age.
Gamitin natin ang ating dunong at sipag sa bawat gawain. At ang pinakamahalaga, maging mapakumbaba, mapagmahal sa bayan at marangal tayo sa lahat ng oras.
Marcos's Independence Day message comes amid heightened tensions between the Philippines and China. China has been encroaching on Philippine waters after claiming the majority of the South China Sea, including parts of the West Philippine Sea, through its so-called 10-dash line. On Tuesday, Marcos told the Philippine Army to prepare for external threats due to escalating heightened geopolitical tensions in the Indo-Pacific.